Yeah. Oh, just
Can you
I can see.
repeat that question once again?
Actually, recently one of the Hindu Pandit Sarpanch has been killed in Kashmir.
Yeah.
So many celebrities or no one is rising about this issue.
Yeah.
But in USA, one of the like black person has been killed by the police person.
Yeah.
But many celebrities are doing something. So but no one is raising the issue right now. So why? Because the secularism or what?
See, I'm sure. No, it's not. See, when terrorist does it, it becomes a routine activity. Their job is killing people only.
Oh yeah.
So it shouldn't.
It
shouldn't become.
My question is that.
Yeah, understood. It should not become a news. Overall, all over the world also, it is not a news.
But my question is that only one of the person he has the Hindu Sarpanch in total Kashmir, but they have targeted that particular person, they have killed him.
Yeah,
but no one is asking like this. No.
That's
only one person is from all over the Kashmir and Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah, that's really true, because when it happens from government, it becomes a big mistake.
Yeah.
See, the police, if one of the street person would have killed somebody else, or a thief would have killed somebody else, a terrorist killed somebody else, it will never become a news.
Yeah.
When the fault comes from government, they are not supposed to do something like that. So that is the reason there would have been hundreds of activities happening all over the world. Many such activities, problems, terrorist activists, political killing, but that will not become a huge news. The American problem is a huge news because it happened from government. Government is supposed to take care of everybody equally.
Yes.
So that is the problem. So India, I am sure if such problems are happening, or maybe in the border such problems are happening, in Kashmir such problems are happening, it is not now. It is not that we cannot finish Pakistan, we cannot finish China problems all on a sudden, just like that. We are not able to identify who is a terrorist, who is a genuine citizen of Jammu Kashmir, because they all mix and live in the same village.
Yeah, yes. When they will get the order from their high command, they will come out.
Yeah. So they live in the world where everybody mix together and then live. So very difficult to identify who is what.
Yeah.
That is the big problem. Got it? So when such things happen, it becomes really difficult for our people to handle them. That is what happened even during the Kargil war also.
And not only this issue, many issues are happening in India, but because we believe
Continue.
Can you hear me, sir?
Continue, Anand. Continue.
Many things are happening in India, but no one is rising about that issues. Many Hindu girls are killed by the other persons. But if a Muslim girl is killed by any other person, many people are coming out and they are raising hands, etc. But the same situation happening for Hindu girl, no one is responding.
See, the basic reason is most of our press people, if you look at the national or the people who are handling press, they are all owned by such people.
Yes, of course.
That is the main reason.
Yeah.
And I'm sure most of the items are being noticed the same way. Like Hinduism is not like which we can compare with the other religions in India, because Hinduism is part of government.
Yes.
When Rajas were ruling and we had all the temples have been handed over to government.
Yes.
So Hinduism is part of government. Even if we say we are secular, we are not that secular.
Yes.
Government is part of Hinduism.
Yes, the problem with the seculars only. Why? Because they will not stand. They will support only for Muslim and Christian. They will
See,
not.
that is because they are like a guest in our family.
Yes.
You understood? We are more concerned about our guests.
Yes.
So that becomes a news here.
Yes, and the fact is, in the Hindus we don't have the unity also. First of all, why? Because if we go to the Muslim, they have complete unity and they are all one.
That
If
is
we go to the Christians,
that is not true. Actually,
yeah,
the
yeah,
Muslim have more fraction like Sunni,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
and all
But
the
yes, yes, of course, right, sir. But if you told that Sunnis, etc.
Yeah.
But outside of the other Muslim countries, they will divide like this. But when it comes to India, they will not divide like this. They will be only single leg.
it is not true again. Even in
No,
Christianity,
okay.
if you look at it, we have a Roman, we have no Syrian Catholic, we have a Pentecost, we have got Malabar Christian separate.
Yes,
So each one of them, they cannot even go to somebody's church.
yes, of course.
If I am not a Catholic and I wanted to go into somebody's no place, I will have to take a special. I have to pay for my prayer.
Yes,
If I have to use the graveyard where my family is not a member in that Christianity, they will
Yes.
charge huge.
yeah. This situation also happens in Telangana.
Yeah,
Yes.
but whereas Hinduism, even if you go to either Sardarji Sikh or Jain or Hinduism, all of them unitedly help in such activities.
Yes.
We can go to any Jain temple, we can go to any Buddhist temple, we can go to, they can come to Hindu temples. So
Yeah.
Hinduism is more open. We are more united than the other people. See,
Yeah.
our basic knowledge of understanding the discrimination, we may not get into unity when it comes to a fight or when it comes to business. But when it comes to faith, we are all together.
Yeah.
So understanding our basic principle is what is essential to make this faith system more stronger. That may not be happening because we don't have to market Hinduism. Because there is no conversion, there is no strict rule. See, that is one of the beauty of Hinduism. That is why Sanatana Dharma is staying in this world for millions of years.
Yes, of course, yes.
See, the other religion, any religion which you take, which is less than
Yeah.
maybe 2300 years,
Yes.
3100 year. So we are millions of years.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
And when it comes to politics, so many of the other states and etc. They will destroy the temples without taking any permission from the Hindus. But they unable to without any permission. Also, many illegal churches are constructing in all the government places. But they're not able to destroy or they're not able to do anything in some places in our state also, Telangana also. So they will not touch masjids and they will not touch churches. They simply, without knowing and without asking for Hindus, beside the roads there are any temples. Simply they will collapse the temples.
That is why again I am saying that is because basically Hinduism is part of government.
Yes.
But when it comes to huge, now the issue like Ram Temple, Ayodhya,
Yeah.
actually it is government who has decided.
Yeah.
If the court decides, government is deciding, right?
Yes.
Therefore, it is like we are able to make huge programs. When you go around some places, you will see only name boards which are all written of temple only, right? You will not see a signboard 80 kilometer from this place to the Dharmasthala. You will see hundreds of name boards, distance shows.
Yes. Yeah.
But will you see that for church and mosque?
No, we don't see.
Yeah, that is because temple is part of government. So, whenever we have recognized it is part of government, such things are already established. Maybe some small construction here and all coming in the name of encroachment, which happens, it is my house. I will have to clear the place. I don't have to ask anybody.
But I have one doubt. So I agree with you, sir. But for example, after beside the road, so for the development portion, the temple is coming with it. So they are destroying that.
Yeah.
So in the same way, they have to destroy the masjid also. Then why they are leaving the masjid and churches?
See,
why the government are leaving the Hindu temples only?
See,
like
even
this, many cases are happened here also. I written also in news also.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Assume that somebody comes in our house as a guest. We will allow him to sit wherever he wants. We will not tell him that
Yeah.
no, you should behave properly, and we will not scold them.
Yes, yes, yes,
So we are respecting them. That's it.
yes.
It is not
But
that we.
they also have to respect our culture now.
Yeah, that is true. That is not
But
happening.
if you see
See,
exactly, if you speak truly, now the current situation is out of control about Hinduism.
see.
So if you take Andhra Pradesh,
Yeah.
so the CM Jagan is providing every month salary for pastors and mullahs and Hindu like pujaris.
Hmm.
Then my question is that why the government is providing monthly salary for pastors and mullahs?
See,
Why? Because with the masjids and churches they don't pay even single MP for the government
no.
taxes.
See, that is not supposed to be done. Actually, they are not part of government. They are individual entity. Nobody is supposed to pay salary for the part. The priest is paid by the government. But when it comes to Christianity, they have a family setup which they collect money together and then share.
Yes.
I'm sure no government is paying them. Assume some government takes such decision just because the chief minister has got a bias. As per Indian legislation, government rule, we are not supposed to pay to anybody else other than Hindu priest.
Yes, sir.
Right.
And one more thing, if you go to real days for the reservation purpose, so some of the like SC/ST candidates they will get the certificate from the Hinduism, but they'll believe the like Jesus.
No,
But that is illegal now.
I am sure it is happening the other way. They get converted into Christianity to get a reservation.
But yes, of course, but they will keep the SC certificate. When they convert into Christianity, they will lose all the reservation from the government, and they don't have any reservations. But when we see the present situation, they will have the SC certificate, but they will go daily. They will go to the church and they will pray everything. But they both the facilities are they are using now.
Yeah, that is because our religion is not able to take care of them. We are not able to give food. I was a professor in a management college.
Yeah.
I had students who were the way which you are telling.
Yeah.
There were people who were believers of Christ, but they had an SC/ST certificate and they got a.
But as per our constitution, it's illegal. It's not illegal.
See, the faith you cannot question because it is not in paper. What is in paper is SC.
Yes.
They are going to church because I asked, why are you going to church and why are you believing in Christianity? He said, we don't believe in all this, but we get medicine, we get free food, we are getting nice dress. So why we are not able to provide that? I'm sure a poor person, when they get food and clothes and money for education, we are able to provide all these facilities. They will get back to the faith.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because India, one of the biggest problem is poverty.
Yes.
And the poverty is being exploited by religious people. And that's the only reason.
Can you hear me, sir?
See, when they have real poverty, whoever is giving food, they will believe that. I have seen.
Yes. Yes.
The godmen.
Yeah.
There are people who are all pretending themselves of God. I have seen in orphanage they give food and keep the picture of the godmen, and then they will start asking them to chant their mantra. Then only you pray and praise them. Then they will give food. So if you continuously do that, they will also get converted into the disciples of such people.
Yeah.
So before food, I am sure we don't have any religion, we don't have any politics. So that is being exploited. The poverty is being exploited by these politicians, by religious people. And that is why they are believing. It is not because they know the whole religion by themselves.
Yeah, I understand. Then when it comes to so if a Hindu person get in something, any problem from the other persons, the government they will not take actions like immediately. But when Muslims or Christians, when they will suffer or they will attack with some other persons, they are taking action immediately. Like if it comes to the social media also, so many of the other like Muslims and Christian person, they are targeting the Hindu person. They are morphing the photos with unlikely differently. When we file a case against them, so no one is taking the file seriously. So nearly 10 to 15 times I contacted the police cyber process, Hyderabad polices. But still now there is no response from the polices within the Twitter also by call also. But when we, for example, when we Hindus morph the Muslims photos and thing, immediately they're taking the action.
See,
The government responding immediately.
see, that is basically the police people or administration work along with the politicians, right?
Yes, of course.
MLA, MP, somebody has to involve.
Yes, yes.
I'm sure if somebody involves and then make a pressure, immediately the response will happen. So what will happen for them? There is a vote bank.
Yes, of course.
If the church priest tells, all those disciples will vote for that fellow. Or maybe a mosque, whoever is going and practicing, do we have such a unity on vote bank? We don't have.
Yes.
The Hinduism is split into different parties.
Yes, yes, of course, of course.
So
It's true.
religion becomes powerful only when the politics is mixed with that.
So that's why the politicians also they will target only for the
Yes.
like Muslims and
Yes,
Christians.
yes.
So why?
If-
Because they will offer the different schemes for them only. Why? Because
they
can
get-
they can divide us easily.
Yeah, they get to vote.
And one more
Immediately
thing,
they
okay,
get vote.
okay. Then when it comes to the Facebook, then when we report the like such IDs and such Facebooks, so the Facebook also does not taking any action. Why? Because the Facebook comes not comes under India. It's a foreign app.
Definitely.
So when we so they are not taking, even though they are also not taking. They are not government. They are not taking.
See.
So when we report that such kind of groups and pages, even though they are not taking any action, so they are saying that simply it's not comes under they are not violate our community guidelines, etc.
See, if such social media or anybody anything which has to come into news, either there has to be a government support or a media support. I told you media is not under no total support to Sanatana Dharma.
Yes, of course.
Neither the politicians. This is why it is not happening.
Yeah, there are many issues like this only.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
We
for
have to-
example, if we have any Muslim, if we are morphing or if we are against any Muslim, immediately within a fraction of seconds, they're blocking that page and that like group. But when it comes to our Hindu pages and etc., if we give any complaint continuously months of the months, they are not taking any action. They're simply saying we don't have any problem with the page like that.
But we must still understand why
Yeah.
we are why they are worried or we are worried. We are not worried, they are not worried, because they are getting
Yeah.
protection. Second one. First one, still Hinduism has got a hold of most of the best positions in this country. The best topmost positions, if you look at it, it's all under the Hindus, right?
Yes, sir.
You look at the senior most officers, the senior most politicians, senior most judiciary, senior most people who are working in press.
Yeah.
See, therefore, we don't have to worry too much about this,
Yeah.
because we are still holding it.
Yeah.
Correct. But the problem will come not now. Probably,
Yeah.
if it happens in the other way after some time,
Yeah.
if we are not getting educated into highest positions, reaching ourselves into the most powerful places, we are not getting into good politics, we are not getting into educating our children the highest, then it will fall. That will happen. That will happen, including state-wise. Including, that is why everyone has to understand that there is a support required for our own kids to get into the highest positions in the government.
Yes. Yes.
Then automatically there will be a development happening in that is
Of
how
course,
Yeah.
the same situation happening in Jammu Kashmir, because many of the IS toppers are coming from all these Muslim community, and they're forming a group and they are doing something like this. And one more thing, if you go to the Pachima Bengal, many of the areas are under the control of Muslim guys. So from the masjid, they are directly announcing that if you are not going to leave this area, we are going to kill. They are announcing publicly, but no government is taking such action in the Pachima Bengal, etc. Some Muslim, like not BJP, other ruling states.
But let me tell you from my experience of dealing with the youth and young children in this country,
Yes, sir.
must have been lakhs of children, not
Yes, sir.
few number in one school or college. I've been traveling throughout India for last so many years. Maybe the most laziest people are the so-called Hindu kids.
Yes, sir.
Other community, they have a Sunday class, they will wake up at 6 o'clock and then punctually they will go, they are disciplined.
Yes, yes.
You go to small mosques, they have got regular religious study.
Yes.
How many parents will make their children to sit properly at least 10 minutes?
No, it's not possible.
Yeah. Even if there are people who are ready to educate them,
Yeah.
to chant some slokas, how many places they at least light their lamp and make children to sit and then pray and then learn little bit about whatever the parent or grandparents knows.
Yeah.
So,
when it
if-
comes to the Christianity, every Sunday they will go to the church.
Yeah.
Even the small children also.
So let us not blame government. Let us not blame the other religion. Keep your house clean, neat, have some discipline in life.
Yes, yes.
How many of our temples are kept neat? I must have gone to many church to give lectures.
Yeah.
The church looks so neat and clean,
Yes.
so disciplined. But you go to a temple, it is most indisciplined.
Yeah.
Now this group is Sanatana Dharma group.
Yeah.
There are more than 100 people who forward continuously so many things.
Yes.
Now tell me how many people, when a message is given, how many people logged in?
Only 1, 2, 3, 5 members.
Only 4 members I am saying.
Yes.
You understood? So this is the
Yes,
discipline which we have.
Yeah. We have our side problem.
So-
and when it comes to our temples also, so from the temples income, the many government will get many income. But when in the lockdown, many Brahmins are they have begged in the outside. So when the income, when the most of the which temples will get a high income, only the government is taking the controls under that government.
No, who-
But the remaining temples is not.
No, who is asking you to go to the biggest temple and then put so much of gold and money?
No, yes.
Yeah, which stupid
That's
fellow.
not-
I will tell you from
Yeah.
Karimnagar, a small place, near the temple, they don't give donation, but they go to
Yeah.
Tirupati and pour a lot of money there, which goes to government for putting their petrol.
Yes.
Is it, you see, we are, to whom you are scolding, you are not scolding government, you are not scolding paper fellow, you are not scolding administration. In fact, we are scolding our own brothers.
Yes.
I am in Hyderabad for last 30 years now, 35 years.
Yeah.
I have never gone to this place called Tirupati.
Yeah.
Why should I go there? Because as per our Sanatana Dharma, we believe that God is everywhere.
Of course.
Right? Why should I go to some place and pour money?
Yes.
Instead of that, I will go to my own village and then maybe I will give some help to that temple to develop.
Yes. That's true. That's
Rupam Rupa Vivarjidasya Bhavado Dhyayena Yat Kalpitam. Rupam Rupa Vivarjidasya Bhavado Dhyayena Yat Kalpitam. Different shape gods are given. That is only for your bhavana.
Yes.
Actually, there is no different shape for God. God and goddesses have no shape. Vyaptiptam cha maya krita. It is spread everywhere. You don't have to find one place for a God.
Yes.
Stutya nirvajaniyada gila guru. You don't have to describe God because God himself is undescribable.
Yeah.
So when somebody does it, it is their faith. That's it. We don't have to question it. So at least have self-discipline. If that discipline is not there, somebody was asking what is Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana Dharma is the quality within which you are. Dharma is the quality which you have. The dharma of sugar is to have the taste of sweetness. The dharma of salt is to have that quality of saltness inside. So we as Bharatiya Dharma, Sanatana Dharma, we should have that quality of being a human being, a social being. One of the biggest quality is discipline. The yoga describes 8 steps. That is what Ashtanga Yoga. That is the basis of Sanatana Dharma. Then that Yama Niyama. Yama is where Mahatma Gandhi reached. Second one is Niyama. Niyama is discipline. Self-discipline. Not somebody imposes. And how many people have got such a self-discipline?
No. We cannot say nowadays.
See, so discipline is not there. They don't reach at one place at the right time because it is not our fault. We are not being trained for that.
Yes.
In churches, if they don't reach by 8:30, they will have to wait outside. The next session happens only at 9:30, every 1 hour.
Yeah. Yes.
So they have to wait 1 hour. They know they will not get an entry there.
Yes.
So they have 10 minutes program, exactly 10 minutes happens. So everyone is disciplined. So what is most essential is discipline.
Yes.
If the discipline is not there, we are lost. That is Sanatana Dharma, which is written but we have not read. How many people know Ashtanga Yoga? Yoga. People keep yoga practice and they do some monkeys exercise.
Yes.
Actually, yoga is 8 steps. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi.
Yeah.
So, Niyama is second part. When you have Yama, non-violence, self-discipline, then only you can go to Yogasana.
So we cannot go directly because there are some steps and instructions to the yoga.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that discipline should be there inside you. Then asana, then pranayama, breathing exercise. But there are a lot of fractions people who are teaching them with pranayama and making money. That has become a business, and a lot of people go behind them. They are selling Sanatana Dharma and making money.
Yes.
So we don't have to worry. I am not telling that they should not do that. Let them do that. But realize where is the good value and learn such things and then practice individually. Make your small satsang around you to make them practice.
Yes.
That is what is to be done.
Yeah.
Once you do that, I am sure you will have a self-discipline and you will start respecting that around few people around you. That itself is good enough.
Yes.
Yeah.
And when it comes to the madrasa, so in the they will teach about only Quran. They will not teach other things as per information. But why we can construct the Gurukulas about complete our Sanatana Dharmas and etc. And as per my information, so near my cities, they try to construct the one Gurukula, but the government does not give the permission.
See, that
because some of other religion persons,
Actually, this is not so. If you go to the best countries which are either Gulf where Muslims are participating, most of them don't even read Quran. They don't attend mosques.
Yeah, only everything will happen in India.
Yeah, see, that is because there are a group of people working for that.
Yeah.
Here we don't have a group of people working for this other than their own individual popularity.
Yeah, if you have the people also, there is no support from the government. Why? Because they want to construct the Gurukulas and they want to teach like
Actually, we don't have to worry about constructing Gurukula. Every temple has got a Padashala. And such Padashalas are meant for
Hindu schools also. If you teach at least 1 hour Bhagavad Gita, so the other persons are there shouting and doing something.
No, I don't know. Why do you want to teach this in schools? There are thousands of temples. Why not somebody in the temple sit and teach? That is not happening or not?
Of course, good point, sir.
See, it is happening. You will see small temples. There are old people who are all useless, almost at a dying stage. They keep on chanting Lalita Sahasranamam, Vishnu Sahasranamam, Shiva Shiva, Shiva Shiva, Shiva Shiva.
Yes, sir.
But their own young children will not come and learn that in the temple or at their house.
Is the reason, yes, yes.
So, what is essentially required is bring back the young children along with the old people or elderly people, ask reasonable questions logically, understand, because young children will not blindly believe. So
Ask everything
they
logically. What is this?
need,
What is this? Why it
yeah,
happened like that?
so they need to explain and give an answer, but we don't even do that. Let them get back, and I'm sure it's happening. We don't have to worry too much. I'm sure, because I've been involved in the youth activity, there are a lot of people who are learning it. We have plenty of activities happening, but it may not be that massive as it has to happen. But there are a lot of youth, there are a lot of people. What happens in 1970s or 80s is not today's situation. In 20 years, 30 years time, India changed a lot. Many people are at least interested. That is why Anand is also asking this question and discussing.
Yes, sir, yes.
In 1970s or 80s, there would not have been an Anand like this, a Dr. TPS like this discussing on such things.
Yes, sir, yes.
So we have changed. There are a lot of change happening. Otherwise, I am sure Mukta will not have this group made. Their two children are listening to lectures and understanding, learning. Her husband is very active in doing such things. They are all into different companies and they are in US.
Yeah.
Understood. So we don't have to become desperate. Let us be happy, but grow it slightly more and more. That is what is to be done.
Yes.
That is why we are
But
in this group.
when we see the current situation, there is worrying about our
See, the biggest problem what we have is we are worried about small enemies around. We don't have to worry about mosquitoes around, no?
yes.
You understood?
Yeah.
We are only concerned about what others are doing, what we are not doing. But let us do little bit here and there. That is what I have been doing for last 20 years in my life.
Yes.
Understood? The full time is dedicated on this. Giving classes, Bhagavad Gita classes is there on the YouTube. I have people who are listening to me. They repeatedly learn and chant. And there are people, one of the teacher who was in Polytechnic here in Hyderabad recently listened to my chanting, and then he started learning Bhagavad Gita, and then he wrote, yeah, sir, I am able to read now because I am explaining it logically. I am basically a scientist.
Yes, sir.
A space scientist explaining will be something slightly different.
Yes, sir.
So I am sure youth can take it.
Yes, sir.
Right.
My doubt is that, so if we have the nearly as per the counting, we have the 60% of population Hindu. So when we have this huge population on the situation is happening, when we decrease to the 50, 40, 30, then what is the consequences we are going to face?
Nothing. See, even in a
Why? Because just 1 minute, I cannot complete, sir.
Yeah.
And as per the constitution, so when the minorities reach 10% above, they will lose all the minorities and what are the facilities from the constitution they have to lose. Still, right now, as per my information, so the Muslims are nearly 12 to 30% population. Still, they are under the minorities. Then why it's happening? So the why government is not the BJP, like Congress and other parties. So why they are providing all the reservation to the government? And one my doubt. So recently, I have seen that one ST candidate got the 4,000 rank, and one other candidate got the something 2,000 etc. But this 2,000 rank which person got, he does not get the seat in the government. But he who got the 4,000 or 5,000 rank, he got a seat. So yeah.
Now we have got two different systems. One is central government, one is state government.
Yes, sir.
Academic institutions are run by state government. The reservation policies are different in central government, state government. Now you are talking about 2,000 people who got rank up to 2,000. If you look at these 2,000 people, most of them are Hindus only. So we are still.
So that's it. My doubt is only.
So we are still brighter. We are still better. We are still in the front run in the race. There may be few people who are not that eligible, but I am sure what we are supposed to do is we have less involvement, because I am not a politician, Anand is not a politician.
Yes.
We cannot change the rule, but what we can do is we can make our children learn better.
Yes.
That is what I am doing. I am fully involved in teaching children. If That is only what I'm saying. If I start teaching children, still I will tell you there will be Muslim children or Christian children who will come and learn, but Hindu children will be still not coming.
Yes, sir.
Because they are basically lazy. If I give an assignment, who will respond first? I am not distinguishing whether he is a, because we are not I am not such a person who look at isms and religion. I am beyond religion. I am basically a teacher.
Yes,
I am
sir.
basically a scientist. So I look at everybody in same. I was part of government for long years. But if you ask me who is lazy, who is not ready for learning, I can pick up many examples. There are facilities because we have been fed with a lot of facilities.
Yes.
We will not allow them to venture. You understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, that credit has to be given to our children to make them come out of that bondage and ask them to learn better and better so that they can come into the society much, much higher.
Yes, sir. Yes, of course.
That is what we are supposed to do then. Talking about, suppose you go to some state, there are 100% reservation. People who migrated from Kerala and now residing in Karnataka for last 70 years, they belong to 3CG7. Some number they will give and then give categorization. Because state government is supposed to take care of everybody who traveled from some other state, came and settled here and part of government. So reservations are to take care of people with a lot of disadvantage at some point of time where they could not study better. Give them facility.
So
Actually-
my thought of that, sir. So if who don't unable to study, so the government is providing free education, everything. And when it comes to the job also, then why government is providing?
No,
the
you
facility?
show me,
Because they are,
you show me one student who is bright, brilliant, and who studied well, who got good marks. They have been discriminated because of caste. You tell me, is there any reservation which happened in civil service, IAS examination?
No, sir.
Is there any reservation which happened for military admissions?
No.
See, we are only talking about small, meager, some state government job.
Yeah.
Not in the high paid good job. We should aim for such places.
Yes, of course, sir. Yes.
So, if we are able to get there, I am sure the country is in our best hands. I am saying, we are small worried about the frog is crying and making noise. I am not able to concentrate. Why?
Yes.
That small noises are not at all to be worried. We are still having every authority to learn. We have every ability to learn. We have good brain. We have good people. We have good fellowship. We have good institutions. Tell me in which IIT where if you look at a whole number of people, all the brilliant people who are all learning in IIT, they have no complaints.
Yes, of course.
Look at IIT professors. Look at best institution professors. Look at even the best institution run by either Christian missionary or Muslim community also. You look at most of the senior professors are all from Hindu religion.
Yes.
So why do that categorization we don't have to look at, I'm saying. Because education, job has to go per merit. If my family members have to get into highest position, best job, my ability has to make them educated. I must support my kids to educate. Let that happen in each family. Let that happens in my caste, religion, whichever community, whichever native, whichever village, whichever state which I am coming from. That selfishness everybody should have. But not with supporting laziness. Support with the full merit. Make them to work.
Yes.
That ability if you have, I am sure the world will change.
Of course, sir, yes.
Good.
And what about love jihad, sir? Right now we are seeing many cases like love jihad.
See,
Sir, able to...
Chinmayananda Swami asked once, many people are converting. You know what Chinmaya said? If they stay in this religion also, there is not going to be much different. Because they have no faith here. Why we should worry about maybe thousands of people are going. Why are we worried about them? What happened to the other millions of people who are here? Lakhs of people are here. They are no, if I am not, as a parent, I am not able to teach what is my religion to my children, who is at
Yeah.
fault?
Yes.
If I am not making what comfortable life for my children, if they
Yeah.
believe that it is in somebody's hand, why we should
Yeah.
it is me to blame.
Yeah.
We are not blaming government, we are not blaming somebody else. If somebody is cheating me,
Yeah.
cheating my relative, it is my fault, not somebody's fault.
Yes, sir. And one recently shows happened in Telangana. So some of the people are they one girl has allowed for one Muslim person. They have kidnapped her and they have killed her, and they have stolen their 7 gold also. So recent issue also happened in Telangana.
Yeah, many. In Kerala, we had a lot of people, they
Yeah.
went to Afghanistan, from there they wanted
Yes,
to come
sir.
back. See, this is part of a system. This
Yeah.
is part of a system. There are terrorist people, there are political people, there are religious people who will trap somebody, and they get into such a trap. It is our failure.
Yes, yes.
So
We
actually,
have to teach our children.
yeah,
We have to
educate them
educate.
properly. That is what is required. Create a good environment, love them so much, educate them so much, so that they are safe. They feel so close to us.
Yes, sir.
Good, Anand. It's almost half an hour.
Yeah.
No, 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah. Bye, sir.
Bye.